Hi everyone, my name is Malvika Kaushal, and as we are continuing some experiment based on Flume, so today we will be performing our third experiment, okay, based on the Flume itself. So what is our third experiment all about? Here we'll consider that the file is present in HDFS. Previously we are considering that the file is present in a local system, right? But in this experiment we'll consider that the file is present in HDFS. Okay, so what we are demonstrating that all the commands running in HDFS, okay, and the output can be extracted or can be extracted at any location. So this is our third experiment all about. So before I get started, I'll just start all my services. For that I have to write start all.sh and then press enter. I hope we are all on the same page. So it might take a bit time. So because we want HDFS things, right? So for that we want to start all the services. So we are starting it. It's starting the name node, data node, starting secondary name node, yeah, it must taking a bit time. Yeah, and now run the command jps. Yes, we are able to run all the services, so I'm clearing the screen, right? Once you have started all the services, now your main work starts from here. Let me check whether some file or any folder is present in my HDFS or not. So I'm just writing fs -ls space / see, there is no such folder available. Let me check it by GUI as well for you two guys to make it very clear. So it's taking a bit time to open the browser itself. So I'm just opening localhost 9870, enter. Go to utilities, browse the file system. See, you can see there is no such data available. There is nothing in my HDFS. Okay, so we are all on the same page. Now you have to create a folder. So I'm creating one folder by the name sample folder. Okay, so mkdir space then / sample _ folder, then press enter. I guess it's created. Let me check. See, I'll just show you. Yeah, it's created, right? Once you're done with this creation of this one, or you can check it by if you don't want to see it by using GUI always, you can use this command fs -ls, which you have used it previously, then press enter. You can see sample folder is available, right? Now our task is to create a file, or you need some file inside this folder because this folder is empty, right? So we need a file. So for that we'll create a file right now. So okay, so suppose I'm just creating a file, gedit a. This is my file name. Okay, once again let me just write gedit a.txt. I want some txt file. Yeah, so I'm just writing hello world exclamation, save and enter. So we have this file gedit a.txt, right? Let me check if it's there in the, let me cross this. Yeah, you can file this a.txt file here in the desktop. Now our task is to move this file from local file system to HDFS. So for that we'll use the command. I hope you know that command, hadoop fs, yeah, you guessed it right, it's output. Okay, and then the location of that file. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna drag that file here. Once again, so that it's not dragging in. Let me check what's the problem. See, it's giving the location but it's not dragging in. So let me just press enter. Yeah, minus put. You can just directly write the location itself, or you can go to here, then desktop, and file 1. This was our file, right? Minimize it. Yeah, now it's done. Cancel. Then the location where you want it to be. So I want it inside sample folder. So I like sample folder, and then I'll press, I hope I'm not wrong this time, right? So I'll press enter. I guess it's there. Let me check. Let me just clear the screen for you guys too. So I'm just writing the command hadoop fs-ls. Okay, so now I'm going inside sample folder. Is there anything inside sample folder or not? So I'll just write this command. Yeah, there is file a.txt. We are able to move it to HDFS, right? So one step, we are moving one step ahead, right? So what you have to do now, if you remember your previous experiment where we have created a file name, I'll just show you, exec.config. See this one. I'll just open. I'll copy this command because we want this code only, but there will be slight changes in this code. I'll just copy this and then close. I'll go to this again. I'll clear the screen for you guys. Okay. So the next step is, I'll just show you what we have written. So fs cat / sample, what is there? Let me check now if there is some data inside that or not. Big data, right? What was the file name? a.txt. Yeah, you can see these 3 words. Okay, so the content of this file we have to display in the sync of my agent. Okay, so for that we have to make the changes in the exec.config file in which we have copied from which we have copied the code, right? So for that I'll just create one more file, gedit. I'll just create a file name exec HDFS.conf. Then press enter. Paste that code here. Now guys, you have to look what is the file name you have to keep. Any guess? What are you going to keep here? Any guess? Yeah, we have to use here cat command, but right now we are in HDFS. So what we're gonna use, hadoop fs minus cat. Previously which command did we use? A minus cat / this. So we'll use the exact same one. So I'm just copying it from here and paste it here. Paste. I hope we are able to run it. Save it. Save. And then cross. I hope we are not on the wrong track. So once we are done with this configuration files as well, now you have to start the Flume agent. So for that I told you the command Flume -ng, then write agent, then -n. What was our variable name? Access, if I'm not wrong, rocker agent. Yeah. Then our file name. So our file name was exec HDFS.conf. volt.conf, press enter. I guess it started. Yeah, guys, you are able to see it. Hello world and exclamation mark, right? So yes, we are able to do our third experiment as well. So if you like this video, please give me thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching this video. We'll see you in the next video as well. Bye.